Hi there and welcome back to Nail Chronicle. This week my nails are ready. I'm waiting for this to use this new bundle. So I picked up a mystery bundle from Maniology. And so essentially you pay 20 bucks and you get 10 items. You have no idea what you're getting. They give you like a rough indication of what you might get, but not in terms of the exact items. So this first one here is a set of 3 nail polish. I will go and swatch those at the end of the video, so they'll get unboxed then. Then we have these gorgeous brushes, topped up with the, we call it the dotting tools at the end of it. I'm really happy with the dotting tools. They're sizes that I don't really use or don't really have, so it's kind of handy to have some extra sizes. Now that powder there, I'm not sure what it is exactly, so I'll have to work that out next time. And then I just had the sticker set, which actually there was another one stuck underneath it. Unfortunately, I didn't film it as I didn't realize it was even there. So here's the first plate. It's really cool pattern design. I love the pattern ones because you can get really creative and create some cool designs with them. Then next up we have an awesome sort of spring design. So it's got some fresh sort of flowers on it and some really cool little sayings on the side. And finally we have this really funky sort of like beach tropical kind of vibes, very leafy. So I'm really happy with the plates. They're really cool. I can't wait to try them out. But onto the polishes. So we've got a set of 3 polishes, and I have to say I'm really happy with the colors that I received. So first up we have Phantom, which is kind of a purple silvery polish, and it's really surprising how it turns out on the swatch, so you'll see that in a moment. Then we have Celestial, which is this gorgeous blue. It has a hollow shimmer through it. And then we have Latte, which is a really nice coffee kind of nude polish, which is, I really like the color in the bottle, but I'm not sure how it's going to work in nail art, so we'll see. So I've just picked a random plate that I happen to already have. I personally don't take off my blue protective layers until I've actually used the plate, so I decided to pick this other pattern one that I happen to have out. So these purple here we have, I just swatched a little bit of it. I didn't make the area too big because otherwise it's just a bit of a waste. And then just try and get it across both the black and white to see how it looks. And so here we go, and it actually looks really good on both the white and the black. I'm really happy that I can use it both across both colors. It's not often that you can do that, and I think it looks really cool. It does stand out more on the white, but I think on the black it would look awesome as well. So then now you have the blue metallics, well not really metallic, it's got hollow glitter in it. And I wasn't sure how this one would turn out and how it would show, like whether the hollow glitter would come across. So I've never really had a stamping polish like this, so I was really keen to see what it would actually look like. And so it shows up really nice in the white. I think it's too dark for the black side, so it will look better on lighter polishes. But even though it didn't show on camera, it does have a nice shimmer to it. So lastly we have Latte, and so this one's got a really nice sort of coffee color to it that you can see, and it looks like just like coffee. So maybe I'll have to get my coffee stamping plates out again and try that out again, or try out a new design with it. So here we have the stamp on it, and similar to the purple, it works both on the black and the white. It looks a little bit different on both. I found this one a little bit like not as opaque as I would like it, but I think it would still work. So let me know in the comments what you think. Do you have a favorite item out of this set, and would you order this mystery bundle? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Bye!